Masayang ibinahagi ni Kalagkaren at ng kanyang asawang si Luke Wrightson ang kanilang kasal na naganap noong ika-8 ng Setyembre 2024 sa Ravenhall County, United Kingdom. Sa pamamagitan ng post mula sa Nice Print Photography, inanunsyo ang magandang balita, it's official. Congratulations and best wishes at Kalagkaren and Luke Wrightson, such a lovely, beautiful intimate wedding at Ravenhall County, United Kingdom. Sa kanyang sariling Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Kalagkaren ang kakaibang karanasan sa kanilang kasal na tinawag niyang wedding in the clouds. Anya, Luke and I dreamed for a beautiful sunny day in this fantastic cliff-top wedding venue in England. It's supposed to have the best overlooking views in North Yorkshire. On our wedding day, ironically, the views were covered by thick fog. It was almost zero visibility. What a one-in-a-million chance. Sa kabila ng makapal na ulap at hamog, hindi nagpatinag si Kalagkaren sa masayang araw ng kanilang buhay. Unlucky? Not at all. But marrying the love of my life surrounded by our dearest friends and families makes me feel the luckiest woman alive. And hey, who else can say they got married in the clouds, dagdag niya. Ang kasalan, bagaman puno ng hamog at limitado ang tanawin, ay puno naman ng pagmamahal mula sa kanilang mga pamilya at kaibigan. Ngayon, opisyal ng mag-asawa sina Kalagkaren at Luke Wrightson at sila'y masayang nagsimula ng kanilang bagong yugto ng buhay bilang and rest the Wrightson.